Hello friends, today I will going to show you, I will tell you about the Indian sandalwood or Santhalam album. It's a scientific name for Indian sandalwood. It is more basically found in South Indian, southern part of India and Southeast Asian parts, and it is very grown largely in the parts of South Indian forests. It is having a good oil value for its essential oil. Because of this, it is because of very high valuable plant due to its fragrance. It is now under exploitation, and it is vulnerable, causing exploitation. So due to looking into this, the Indian government banned this planting of illegal planting of this sandalwood and illegal exporting of sandalwood from the past 2002. But now the government has relaxed some of the policies, and it is now growing by Indian farmers. So I am just standing behind the sandalwood tree. This is a very young tree, because don't think that when you just when you standing near the sandalwood you'll get that fragrance. It is not like that. Only it is when it is get old, when the bark is dried, you will get that the fragrance, very pleasant fragrance. So now at this moment I'm not getting the fragrance because this is too young. This tree is too young. See, these are the kind of leaves. They are very long lengthy leaves. So just these are very similar kind to different types of trees. So this is grown naturally in this farm, in this on this land. So just I'm taking you to look around how the sandalwood tree looks like. So this is how it is doing. Okay, coming to Mysore sand, this is very largely used in Mysore sandal soap and all other Mysore sandal products. So coming to its medicinal uses, it is having a very high medicinal uses. For it is used in skincare industries, and it is considered as a sacred in many in Hindu religions, and it is used for food and essential oil. So right now, the essential oil of this sandalwood is having a high value, and very largely the demand for the essential oil in the market is very high. So the price of this essential oil is very high. The sandal oil, the sandalwood is used in many different products like soaps, perfumes, and we will use for making creams and many skincare products. It is also mentioned in 2000 years old scriptures about its medicinal uses and how it is used as wood for that fragrance. When you smell that fragrance, you will get some pleasant. It's kind of a therapy. You will get a very peace of mind, and it's complete. You will be on a cloud nine. So the South Indian people or South Indian region is very lucky to get this habitat to this sandalwood, and this is very rare tree you will find in this world. So this time I just talked a little bit about this sandalwood, but there is many thing we can. There are many things to tell about this very high valuable plant, high valuable tree. So just give your let us know me your comments in the comments, what you know, what more you wants to know about this sandalwood. Thank you.